created a two-way data table to show how when you change the unit cost and you change the price of our coffee or lemonade, that basically the profit changed. So how can we summarize this graphically? Well, what we need to do is sort of copy what we have. So we could copy the prices, maybe one row further down. And then we need headings. Okay, we'll go down to $5 there. Oops, I didn't go down far enough. So go down to $5 here. Now what we had for a range of unit costs, we had unit cost, we could say 30. Unit cost 35. And we're just going to really copy the data from the table. So unit cost 60. And then I'll come up here and just copy what the data table's got. So if the data table changes, what's here will change. And we'll have nice headings for titles for each unit cost curve as it changes when we change the price. Okay. And then we can make some changes up here and you'll see they're reflected in the chart. Okay, so now if I want to create a chart, I can just select this here and I can do insert line chart, which we don't use very often, but there's a line chart and right there is pretty good. Okay, so now you can see sort of as you increase the price for a while for each unit cost, the profit will go up and then it'll start dropping. And we can see the profit maximizing price right here. Okay, so basically the profit's sort of like a parabola. Okay, now if we would change things here, okay, suppose I would make the demand curve less sensitive to price. So in other words, if I would say every time you raise the price $1, you don't lose 9,000 a year, you lose 4,000 a year. Well, then things are going to be a lot different. Okay, then we would always charge the maximum price. Actually, the higher price might be better. See, the profit now is going straight up as we raise the price because we have less sensitivity of demand to price. So in summary, that's how you would create basically a chart based on a data table. Just copy the headings from the first column of the table, the first row of the table, make those into, I guess, titles rather than what's there, and then link to the table right here. And as your table changes, your chart will change, and you can really see what's going on. And what we have is we have a curve here for each unit cost, and it's clearly labeled here. And then we have the prices clearly labeled here. So I think that's the chart you would want to summarize the data table.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.